not even a half a mile away, and it's got snow on the sides. Oh, that's pretty cool. A love station over there on the side of a hill, and all the trucks over there backed in there. That's cool looking.
In 2 miles, take exit 165 toward Arizona 64 North Historic Route 66.
Yes, ma'am, I will. Thank you. I don't know what I'd do without you, really. Back in the old days, you had to travel with somebody that could turn the map pages and stuff. There's an old train yard with a bunch of passenger trains. Huh. The BMC something. That'd be something to go look up if you're up there in Williams. Go see the old train yard. Okay, this is where I turn, right here. Grand Canyon. Can you imagine if that remember that Cajun chef, Justin Hayward, if he was a traveling guy, he'd be saying, yeah, today we're going to go up to the Grand Canyon, and we're going to check it out. We're going to put a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Yes, we are. We're going to the Grand Canyon. Well, okay, I thought it was funny.
In half a mile, take exit 165 toward Arizona 64 North Historic Route 66.
Okay. You already said that once. Okay, guys, let me get off right here. I'll be back if there's anything interesting.
Take exit 165.
You're getting bossy now, Siri.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Arizona 64 North Historic Route 66.
Okay. Wow, right away you can tell the trees and stuff. Look at it. Big old tall pine trees.
Arizona 64 North Historic Route 66.
Gotcha, lady. We got it. Yeah, right, Yuki? Sure is a lot of traffic. other videos and to other people and just mentioning it in casual chats and stuff. But anywhere near a national monument, a popular one, suddenly the roads become like brand new, smooth as glass, no potholes. You know, it's either a national park or an Indian reservation also. Because when I was out in Arizona going to that Geronimo monument, surrender monument, I was out there by some tribe, and wow, the road was like so smooth. So I guess you're on I think there's a few different tribes all around the Grand Canyon here. So look at the road, man, nice and smooth. Leave it to the government. Thanks, Uncle Sam. Thank you very much. Thank you very kindly. How you doing?
Good. All right. Do you need a map?
Yeah, yes, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care.
Didn't cost me nothing. Yeah. Woohoo. Oh no, it's raining. you, Yuki?
So I'm at the Grand Canyon, Nutty.
Every once in a while, feel some raindrops and they're like ice cold. Yeah, here's Mather Point, and that's the one everybody wants to go down there and get their picture. Yuki, where are you?
I'm at the Grand Canyon, Daddy. Look, I'm at the Grand Canyon.
Oh man, that's beautiful. I put it on cinematic on my other phone, and the colors and everything just bumped up a notch, man. Beautiful. With the sun hitting those peaks and stuff. I'm gargling. I'm gargling. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, in the shade.
I can hold them.
Yeah, hold it. Whoever.
You can too.
Yuki. Yuki, come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Sorry, I'll be out of the way in a second.
So I didn't want to get in your way. I'm just doing it.
Oh, you're cool.
There you go. That's pretty cool.
I wonder if I can stand up.
Well, first,